Let's solve this together. It says 4 raised to the power x is equal to 25. We are required to solve for the value of values for x. Alright. Firstly, we can express 25 to be equal to 5 squared. Okay, that's a known fact. Now 4 on the other hand can be said to be equal to 2 squared. Alright. Hence, we can replace 25 and 4 for 5 squared and 2 squared respectively. So we have 2 squared all raised to the power of x to be equal to 5 squared. Okay. Moving on from here, we can say that when you have something like this, you multiply the power. So we have 2 raised power 2 times x is 2x to be equal to 5 squared. Alright. Now moving on from here, we can say, let us take the logarithm of both sides. So we have log of 2 raised to the power 2x to be equal to log of 5 squared. Alright. When you have a number, the log of a number raised to a power, you multiply the log by the power. So we have 2x multiplied by log of 2 to be equal to 2 multiplied by log of 5. Alright? Very interesting. From here, we can now say, let us divide both sides by 2 times log of 2. Okay, because if you divide both sides by 2 times log of 2, we have x left. So we divide here by 2 times log of 2, and we divide this side by 2 times log of 2. Log of 2 takes log of 2, 2 strikes 2, and we're left with x. X now becomes equal to what? 2 times 2 strikes 2 here as well. So I have that x becomes equal to log of 5 divided by log of 2. Okay. And this looks like the answer, but we can express further and say that when you have log of a over log of b, okay, this is equal to log of a to base b. Okay. Hence, from here, we are going to have that this becomes equal to log of 5 to base 2. And this is the value for x. Alright? So, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.